Hello guys, I know you're wondering why I'm wearing this t-shirt. Well, I've got news for you. A lot of comments have been coming through my inbox. A lot of comments and questions have been coming through my inbox and also on the channel by subscribers, by followers. So I decided to find a comfortable platform for you to make money online. This platform gives you edge where you can actually make between $10 a day or even more. But it all depends on the effort you put in. If you're ready for this information, sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and let's start this video. And also, by the way, I have a giveaway courtesy Bybit. So stick around to the end of the video so that I'll be introducing this giveaway to you. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're not following me already, please do so to subscribe to this channel, and also do me a favor, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I release a video like this. One more thing you can do is to give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm can actually share this video and also recommend this video to other people who have similar interests like you. In this video, I'll be introducing to you a platform I've been using for a long time. And I also want to introduce it to you because it gives you the opportunity to make money even while you sleep. This platform is called Bybit. I know a lot of you have heard about Bybit and some of you maybe not. But if you have, or if you have not heard about Bybit, in this video and other videos to come, I'll be sharing with you possibilities and also how you can make money through this platform. Another thing I'll also be sharing with any interested person, and I believe it to be you, is signals. Because when I take you through the trading aspect of Bybit, I'll also be sharing signals with you so that you can use those signals to trade on Bybit. If you're interested in these signals and also making money on the Bybit platform, I'll leave a link in the description of this video where you can find these signals. Yes, it's a group, a Telegram group. Make sure to join this Telegram group and let's have fun together. Now, I promised you that there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video. Well, Bybit reached out and said, for my viewers, for my subscribers, they are willing to give away some few things. Now, the first thing they're going to give away is once you register using my code, which you'll find in the description of this video, they're going to give you an additional $20. The next giveaway, I'll be selecting few people in which I will send gifts to. Let me show you one of the gifts that Bybit sent to me. As you can see here, Bybit sent me this gift box. You can see that my name is on it, so they sent this gift box to me, and I have some couple more to give out to my subscribers, the community. Once you join and follow on Twitter and follow on the social media handles, you'll definitely qualify to earn one of these boxes. If you see the inside of this box, you see what I have in the box. All right, it's a branded t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, and then cups and mugs. So if you're interested in this, just simply follow the instructions in the comment section, follow the instructions in the description area and the links to join. Now let me put it straight to you. You can't make money online unless you invest both your time and money. I'm not saying money, I'm not saying a lot of money, but I'm saying you have to invest time. You also have to invest money. Now, when you register with the Bybit exchange, this is what you're going to do. Very simple. The first step you do is click on the link in the description. When you have done that, carry out your KYC. Now, the KYC is very important because this allows you more privilege and gives you more leverage on the exchange. So make sure you do your KYC. After you have done your KYC, the next thing you have to do is to deposit a minimum of $100. Once you have done so, then you are set. You're good to go. The next link in the description will be the link to join the Telegram group. It's a brand new group, but specifically created for the Bybit trading platform. I'll be dropping 2 to 5 trading signals daily. This will actually help you boost your trading. It will help you, encourage you, and all that. Then alongside that, I'll also be introducing some products of the Bybit that will encourage you, some product of the Bybit that will help you trade. Some of these products actually does not require too much effort from you, does not even require you paying attention to your phone. So I will introduce all that in the coming videos. Now, if you have made it so far to the end of this video, you will now know that there's a giveaway to give, and if you're interested in it, how to participate. Well, my name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video, let's make some money.